ChemWork includes a one-day career and life planning workshop after DSE to help Form 6 students interested in chemistry make informed JUPAS choices. This workshop will introduce career opportunities for chemistry graduates and how to strategically prepare for these opportunities. Chemical Technology Program, CT in short, is one of the 2 university programs in Hong Kong credited by the Royal Society of Chemistry and the only program granting full accreditation.
To students passionate about applying chemistry to benefit mankind. Our faculty members are healthcare innovators who are inventing drugs and technologies, establishing state laboratories, and training pharma professionals.
參加呢個 workshop 之前，我覺得讀完 Chem 出嚟可能就係做化驗師或者老師啦，就覺得好似好少選擇咁。但係參加完呢個 workshop 之後，就發現原來有40幾樣工作咧，讀完 Chem 之後都可以揀啦。
咁我覺得貨物 sales 同埋普通 sales 最大嘅分別咧，就係前者咧係講求更多嘅有關化學上嘅知識。
之前咧就認為呢個 testing chemist 係一個好重複性嘅工作啦，但係經過咗今次嘅 workshop 之後，就令到我嘅睇法改變咗。其實佢係一個好多變化嘅一個工種嚟嘅。
咁 ABCT 啦，每一年都有好多同學就考入咗呢間歐洲嘅好多名牌嘅大學啦，而讀呢個 PhD 啊同埋 Master 嘅。
讀 Chem 就會有好多出路啦，就好似修復文物咁啦。其實藝術啦、文化啦、歷史呢啲嘢其實同 Chem 都好息息相關嘅。
去哈佛讀書，去一流公司工作，好似遙不可及咁。不過只要以終為始，循步漸進嘅話，始終都可以達成目標嘅。
從 Lorraine 呢個 case 咧，我就覺得 internship 係一個事業嘅捷徑。
Summer research 可以令到一啲CT 或者係 AB 嘅同學可以容易啲有一個做 research 嘅經驗啦，令佢哋日後更加容易可以做到研究人員呢個工作。
ABCT 咧都有提供到一啲嘅 exchange 啦，又或者係JobX 嘅活動啦。咁等我哋喺4年當中咧都可以有機會去實習啦，揾工嘅時候會比較容易，同埋都會更加理解到自己嘅興趣同埋能力喺邊一方面咯。多謝老師嘅提名。
Work is our series of CLP workshops designed to help Form 6 students who are passionate about pursuing a certain major, but who hesitate to do so because they think the career prospects of that major are dim. Many participants feel more confident about their choice of university major after the workshop. Success becomes a joyful journey when you see the way forward. Our workshops help you build a practical path towards a career you are passionate about.
The enrollment is very simple. Within 48 hours, please fill out the simple online form sent to your WhatsApp when your teacher nominates you. Enrollment is first come, first served among suitable nominees.